Who makes the best chocolate chip cookies around here?
Me.
You do? In the
Easily.
whole family?
Easily. Do you really think you can make cookies on a barbecue?
Have you ever made cookies on a barbecue before?
No.
With our grill, you can set the temperature to 350, so it's like a convection oven.
I think you're crazy, but we'll find out.
All right, let's do it. Let's bake some cookies.
So first, we're gonna put the butter, and the brown sugar in. We're gonna mix that, start it, and we're gonna add the sugar. Then we're gonna add the vanilla, the salt, and the baking soda. As it's mixing, then we're gonna add in the eggs. Then after the eggs, we put the milk. And then after the milk, we put the flour and then the chocolate chip. I'm gonna let that mix for about like 10 seconds.
Okay.
Looks good. All right, it's done.
Awesome. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks great.
This is all the cookies you're gonna make with all these animals here?
It's a lot of cookies.
These are gonna be gone. This guy says we're gonna be able to bake chocolate chip cookies.
And a barbecue.
I don't know. What do you think?
We're gonna find out.
We are gonna find out.
The cookies on a barbecue, what do you think?
Sounds kind of odd, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not gonna work.
Okay.
You want me to put them on?
You do it.
All right.
You do it.
How long do you normally do them for?
This is a really small cookie, probably like 7 minutes.
I'd say
7. 7. Guaranteed. How much do you want to bet?
Okay, all right.
How much do you want to bet?
You're right.
Bubba, give me a little scooper on it.
Hand out.
Well, I'll save you a cookie, don't worry. Not that much, bud. Yeah, shame on you. You guys are eating all the profits.
There we go.
They're almost done. You know what my dad used to tell me?
What?
What I forgot, you gotta learn about making cookies.
Very good.
All right, so the trick with chocolate chip cookies is you always underbake them a little bit because they're still gonna continue to cook on the pan. Hot, hot.
My hands can take anything. But not my mouth.
Sold in America, or just mine?
They're good.
Sweet.
Very,
You
very
get a
good.
little bit of salt.
Yep.
Brings out the butter flavor. Good.
Good. This is it if you want to take a picture of it.
Yeah.
Here.
All right, bud.
That is? I didn't know you could do so many things on the grill. You could even do dessert.
They
Cake.
said you could bake a cake.
I don't know about that.